What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. The Smoking Beard here, bringing you another easy to follow video on how to grill on your propane grill. Today I'll be firing up my Monument grill and showing you how easy and fast you can grill up some burgers. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to keep up with the latest and greatest my channel does have to offer. First thing to do here is to turn on your grill by opening the valve on your propane tank. Press the ignition button and turn your knobs to get her going. You should open her up all the way when you first start so it can heat up properly. Next step is to make a makeshift smoke box with a piece of foil paper. Fold the edges and the bottom together to create a pocket where you will place your smoke chips. Close it off and poke small holes on the top and on the bottom of the smoke box. Since you're cooking with propane, this adds a little smoke flavor to your food. Oh yes, before I forget, I am an affiliate with companies like Amazon, Thermoworks, and Walmart. If you see something you like, head on over to the description. I have provided links that take you directly to the products and helps my channel out in the process. I even have my own merch. The shirt I'm wearing, Make Brisket $1.97 a pound again, and others are available. After that, your grates should be hot enough to clean. Use a wet paper towel or rag to clean them. You can also use a piece of onion instead if that's what you prefer. Then turn your grill down and add some non-stick cooking spray. Just be careful, it is flammable. Add your smoke box and get working on your hamburgers. I was passing by the meat aisle and I couldn't pass this deal up. For this step, you will need your patties, parchment paper, your favorite seasoning, and a sturdy plate. Start by seasoning both sides of the patty and lay them down on the paper. Grab another piece of parchment paper on top and apply even pressure with the plate. Continue until you finish all your patties. Place your patties on the grill. This type of patty does not have any binders in it like egg or breadcrumbs. They're just pure meat. Having said that, they will fall apart on you very easily. Try to place them down on the grill gently. When you start seeing the edges of the patty start to turn colors, use a spatula to release them from the grates and continue cooking them. You can start flipping them over when you see puddles of juices on top of the patties. Our smoke box is just getting started. Start checking for doneness using a meat probe. I'm using this one I got from Thermoworks. It's a great little tool to have. You're looking for an internal temp of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike other cuts of meat, ground beef should never be eaten other than when it hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This is due to the fact that ground beef is well grounded and all that meat surface area gets exposed to the air around it. This can lead to unwanted bacteria that, if consumed, can wreak havoc on your stomach. Once they hit the magic number of 165 or higher, pull them out, take a second to clean your grill, close your propane tank first, and then turn the knobs to the off position, and you're done. From firing up your grill to finishing, it should only take you about 20 minutes. Quick and easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.